Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to connect your social media accounts in Snappa. To connect your social media account on Snappa, you need to get logged into your account. Open up a preferred web browser and type in snappa.com. After that, log into your account. Go to your account settings by clicking on My Account drop down here. Click on My Account drop-down menu at the top navigation bar and click on Social Accounts option. Now you will see a list of available social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. Click on the platform you want to connect. You will be prompted to upgrade for connection to your social media account. Click on See Plans and Pricing and choose a plan from here. You can choose Pro or Team. You can also change if it's monthly or yearly. After that, you will be prompted to log into your social media account and authorize Snappa to access it. Follow the on-screen instruction to grant permission. Once authorized, you should see a confirmation message that the account is connected. After connecting your social media account, you can share designs directly from Snappa by clicking on Share or Export option in the editor and choosing the platform where you want to post your design. These steps are similar for most design tools, so that is how you can connect your social media accounts in Snappa. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.